Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zscaler for cloud access verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Zscaler for cloud access verification, start by accessing the Zscaler admin portal. Enter your administrator credentials to log in. Once you're in the portal, navigate to the Identity and Access Management section. Select Authentication from the drop-down menu. Review the various authentication methods available, such as SAML, Radius, or Active Directory. For SAML authentication, click on the SAML option to configure it. You will need to provide the IDP, Identity Provider, metadata. Download the Zscaler SP, Service Provider, metadata file from the portal. Next, go to your IDP's Management Console. Upload the Zscaler SP metadata file in your IDP configuration. Create a new application for Zscaler in your IDP. Set the appropriate attributes and claims as per Zscaler's requirements. Make sure to input the correct assertion consumer service (ACS) URL provided by Zscaler. Now, save the changes in your IDP. Return to the Zscaler admin portal and enable SAML authentication. You may also need to configure user groups and roles within Zscaler. After configuring, test the authentication setup to ensure it works correctly. If using Radius, navigate to the Radius settings under the Authentication section. Enter the Radius server details, including IP address and shared secret. Configure the authentication timeout and retries as needed. Save the Radius settings and perform a test authentication. For Active Directory authentication, enter the necessary domain details. Specify the LDAP server's IP address and connection credentials. Test this connection to ensure successful communication with your Active Directory. Once completed, review the configuration status in the dashboard. Make adjustments if necessary based on test results. You are now set to use Zscaler for cloud access verification successfully. Ensure regular monitoring and audits to maintain secure access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.